Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crunchy Storyteller. Today I will talk about something which is very close to my heart, that is animals. God has blessed us with so many good things. In the same way, He has made the beautiful world of animals. We should respect and care for them too. Kindness shouldn't be limited to any particular gender, race, age group, or even species. We should show kindness and compassion to our fellow earthlings, that is, other animals, particularly under human care. Famous novelist George Eliot said, "Animals are such agreeable friends. They ask no question. They pass no criticism." If you like listening to stories, quickly subscribe to Crunchy Storyteller. Press the bell icon and write in the comment section below the topic you would like to listen in the form of a story next. So, let's begin today's story. An old man was going for a walk when he noticed a little boy feeding a thin, unkempt dog with pieces of bread. He went up to the boy and asked him why he was sharing his food with the dog. The little boy answered, "Because they have nothing, no home, no family, and if I don't feed them, they will die." "But there are homeless dogs everywhere," the old man replied. "So your efforts don't really make a difference." The little boy looked at the dog and smiled. But for this little dog, it makes all the difference in the world. If you like this story, keep watching my channel. In the next video, you will get to meet my furry friend, Rio. Now let's consider some ways in which we can show kindness towards animals. Observe animals. Watch animals in parks, zoo, animal sanctuaries so as to know more about them, like how they live, what they eat, etc. Do not litter around them. Watch them from a distance without teasing, thereby helping to protect their habitat. Just like humans, animals also respond better to care, love, and friendship. Read books about animal behavior. Read books about animals. It will help you understand how they live and respond to nature. Be responsible. If you have a pet at home, act responsibly. Provide them food, fresh water, and shelter on time. Don't forget to give them love and company. Just like us, animals too feel lonely if left alone for a longer period of time. Pet them in the right way. Be gentle with animals. If you want to pet your furry friend, then do it without pulling or pinching. Pet them in the direction of the flow of their hair. no pulling tails, and no hitting. Just like you don't like someone pulling your hair or hitting you, in the same way, animals also dislike it when someone pulls their tail or hits them. Observe, do not touch. If you see an injured animal, do not try to approach them, for they might get aggressive and hurt you. Instead, get medical help for the animal. Respect wildlife. Not all animals can become pets. We need to respect that. Just like you show your discomfort if you don't like something, they too do so by hissing or growling. Show respect for their habitat and nature by not troubling them and also not polluting the environment. Help by keeping their home clean too. I hope now you have learned how important it is to show kindness towards animals, and that too in the right way, so that the balance of nature is maintained. If you like my content, kindly subscribe, share, and like my channel, Crunchy Storyteller. Don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notification for my next video and to meet Rio, my furry friend. Thank you.